Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to Vet It's You YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about the digestion of lipids in monogastric animals. So, first of all, the question arises that what are monogastric animals? Basically, monogastric animals are those animals which have single chambered stomach. For example, you can note down like horses, dogs, etc. Now you might be thinking that what is lipid? So you can relate the lipid with the fats, and here we will discuss about its digestion in the case of monogastric animals. Again, this flowchart is divided into different sections which simply tells us about the steps that are involved in the digestion. So basically the feed or the diet given to the animal is rich in fat and is ingested by the mouth. No digestion of the fats or the lipid takes place in the mouth or as well as the stomach. The digestion process starts with the small intestine. So the food that is ingested by the animal which is rich in fat will move from the mouth to the stomach without any change in its form and finally to the small intestine where the actual process begins. So the fat that reaches the duodenum section of the small intestine, bile will act on that fat and convert it into the emulsified fat. Basically, the biles that is produced by the liver of the animal will act on the large globules of the fat and convert it into the tiny droplets that is known as emulsified fats. Now the tiny droplets of the fat that is emulsified fat will move to the jejunum section of the small intestine and an enzyme pancreatic lipase will act on it and divide it into the two fatty acids as well as the beta monoglycerides. Simply the beta glycerides and the two fatty acids are the smaller chains of the fat. Now the beta monoglycerides and the two fatty acids will move to the inner chamber of the jejunum, or you can say the lumen, and will convert into the phospholipid, fatty acid, beta monoglycerides and the bile acid. Here the bile acid is produced by the liver and along with the bile help down to break the fats. And talking about the phospholipid, it is basically a lipid molecule that forms the main component of the cell membrane. And the fatty acids or the beta monoglycerides are just the smaller units. Now the phospholipid, fatty acids, beta monoglycerides and the bile acids will undergo the micelle formation as they all are the amphiphilic molecules having the hydrophilic and the hydrophobic regions. Till now, the processes occurs are under the lumen section of the jejunum and now we will move to its cytoplasm. The micelle formation of the different components will now again forms the fatty acids and the beta monoglycerides. Now the fatty acids and the beta monoglyceride under the cytoplasm section of the jejunum will undergo the esterification to form the triglycerides. Now the role of the chylomicrons transport will comes to the act. Basically, the chylomicrons is a fat molecules which contains the triglyceride along with the cholesterol, ester, phospholipid and the apoprotein, or you can say the protein molecule, and help these molecules to be absorbed in the lymphatic vessels of the small intestine, or you can say the lacteals. This was the final step involved in the digestion of lipid. But now the bile acids that was formed by the liver to aid the digestion of fat will move to the ileum and absorbs there. इन द नट शेल, सबसे पहले जो हमने एनिमल को खाना दिया दैट शुड बी रिच इन फैट। अब फैट का कोई भी डाइजेशन ना ही माउथ में होता है ना ही स्टमक में होता है, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। अब हमें पता है कि स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के 3 सेक्शंस होते हैं, ड्यूडेनम, जेजुनम एंड इलियम। सो ड्यूडेनम सेक्शन पे फैट पर कौन एक्ट करेगा? बाइल, एंड इट विल कन्वर्ट द लार्ज ग्लोब्यूल्स इनटू द टाइनी ड्रॉपलेट्स दैट इज नोन एज इमल्सिफाइड फैट। अब इस इमल्सिफाइड फैट पे पैनक्रियाटिक लिपेज एक्ट करेगा एंड विल कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द 2 फैटी एसिड्स और द बीटा मोनोग्लिसराइड्स विच आर जस्ट द स्मॉलर यूनिट्स। अब जेजुनम के ल्यूमन सेक्शन पे 2 फैटी एसिड्स और बीटा मोनोग्लिसराइड फोस्फोलिपिड, फैटी एसिड, बीटा मोनोग्लिसराइड और बाइल एसिड में कन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे। अब जो फोस्फोलिपिड, फैटी एसिड, बीटा मोनोग्लिसराइड और बाइल एसिड बने, दे विल अंडरगो द मिसल फॉर्मेशन बिकॉज दे ऑल आर एम्फीफिलिक मॉलिक्यूल्स, क्योंकि इनके पास एक हाइड्रोफिलिक एंड भी होता है और एक हाइड्रोफोबिक एंड भी होता है। Undergoing the micelle formation, it will again convert into the fatty acids and the beta monoglyceride in the cytoplasm region of the jejunum. अब फैटी एसिड्स और बीटा मोनोग्लिसराइड कन्वर्ट किस में हो जाएंगे? ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स में। अब इन सब का ट्रांसपोर्ट किसकी मदद से होता है? काइलोमाइक्रोन की वजह से, जो कि एक फैट ग्लोब्यूल है दैट इज रिच इन ट्राइग्लिसराइड, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, कोलेस्ट्रॉल ईस्टर एंड अ फोस्फोलिपिड। एंड फाइनली काइलोमाइक्रोन की वजह से दे विल एब्जॉर्ब्ड इन द लैक्टियल्स। सो लैक्टियल्स क्या हैं? बेसिकली दे आर द लिम्फेटिक वेसल्स ऑफ द स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन। अब ये तो बात हो गई फैट के डाइजेशन की और उसके एब्जॉर्प्शन की, लेकिन जो बाइल एसिड लिवर की मदद से बना था दैट हेल्प इन द फैट डाइजेशन along with the bile will absorbed in the ileum section of the small intestine. This was the whole scheme of the digestion of lipids in the case of monogastric animal. I hope you like it and understand it well. So please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Vet It's You. Thanks for the watching, an initiative by Ankit Kaushik.